Start. The Indian criminal justice delivery system has undergone a significant procedural overhaul. Stop. While the new codified law aims at to modernize the legal framework to expedite the justice delivery system in India, certain provisions capsulated therein have raised concerns about their compatibility with constitutional values and established jurisprudence. Stop. One such provision is the provision to Section 223 of the BNSS, which mandates that in complaint cases, the magistrates must issue notice and afford them an opportunity to be heard before taking cognizance. Stop. However, a closer examination reveals that it disrupts long-standing principles of criminal procedure, introduces procedural redundancy, and risk infringing fundamental rights under Articles 14 and 21 of the Constitution. Stop. Para. The proviso to Section 223 of the BNSS marks a significant departure from the well settled principle of criminal procedure that cognizance is taken of the offense and not of the offender. Stop. This foundational doctrine, repeatedly upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court, holds that at the stage of cognizance, the magistrate is required only to determine whether the facts disclose a prima facie commission of an offense. Stop. The identity of the accused is not determinative at this stage, as the process is offense centric rather than person centric. Stop. Para. While considering rejection of the plaint thereunder only the averments made in the plaint and nothing else is to be considered to find out whether the suit is barred by law. Stop. Thus, whether the suit is barred by any law or not is to be determined on the basis of averments in the plaint. Stop. The plaintiff appellant had filed a suit seeking a declaration of title and possession through succession, without referencing a will. Stop. However, the suit property was bequeathed in his favor, and the land records entries mentioned his name against They suit property.